exercise 6C, question number 1, see 1A. See, A and B together can do a piece of work in 6 days, whereas A alone can do the same work in 9 days. A alone, let B alone, then B alone will do the same work in, that you have to find. Okay, let B alone can do see, I am not going to write anything, I am just doing the calculation because these are multiple choice question. You just need to do the problem in rough. Okay, so let B alone do the same work in X days. So we know that 1 by X plus 1 by 9. See, 9 alone do the same work in 9 days. That means in one day A can do 1 by 9 part of that entire work, and in one day B can do the 1 by X part of that work. So you can take this part and that will be equal to 1 by 6. That is, see, A and B together can do a piece of work, same work in 6 days. So in one day A and B together can do 1 by 6 part of that work. So that will be equal. Okay, now see, this is not a quadratic equation, this is a linear equation. This is a linear equation, as I have told. 18 plus 2x equal to 3x. So x will be 18. So 18 days. Option 3 is the correct answer. This is not a quadratic equation, this is a linear equation. Now see question number B. Same type of question. A can do the work in 5 days, B can do the same work in x plus 5 days, and total number of days taken by A and B together is 3 and a 1 by 3, that means 10 by 3. Okay, so 1 by 5, that is for A, plus 1 by x plus 5. Yes, 1 by x plus 5, same work A. Okay, that will be 3 by 1 by 10 by 3, that means 3 by 10. Okay, reciprocal of this one. That is also not a quadratic equation, that is also a linear equation. X plus 5 equal to 3 by 10. 2x plus 10 equal to 3x plus 15. So x equal to 10 minus 15. Why? See, it will be 20. Okay, so 20 minus 15 will be 5. Yes, 5 days. So value of x will be 5. So option 1. See the options. Option 1 will be the correct answer. Now see, an article is bought. Question number C. An article is bought for x and is sold at profit x%. Profit is P, you can say. X% of x, that means x into x by 100, that is x square by 100. X% profit, that means x% of the CP, not SP. Okay, and so the SP will be, so x plus x square CP plus profit, that will be 56 according to the question. So x square plus 100x minus 5600 equal to 0. Now see, x square you can write like this, minus 40x. Why? Because 140 into 40, it will give you 5600. Okay, now if you take common x, you will get x plus 140 x minus 40 equal to 0. Okay, so x equal to 40 or x equal to minus 140. Okay, either x equal to 40 or x equal to minus 140. Now since cost can't be negative, right? So 40 you have to consider this one. So cost price is 40. So option 3. See, Question number D. An empty tank it is filled by a pipe in 2 hours, whereas another pipe empties the full tank in 3 hours. If a tank is empty and both the pipes are open together, the tank will be filled in. Now see, suppose it took when both the pipe are opened together, the tank will be filled in X hour. Okay, suppose X hour. Now see, in case of the first pipe, it filled the tank. In 2 hours. So that means in 1 hour. That means in 1 hour, it filled half of the tank, and another pipe empties the tank in 3 hours. So in 1 hour, it empties the tank 1/3. So minus 1/3 in 1 hour. If the both pipe are open, then one pipe will try to fill the tank and another pipe will try to open to empty. That means this one. Okay. So 6 hours. Option 3. Now question number 2. A can do a piece of work in X days. B can do the same work in X plus 16 days. Okay, if both are working, that means, okay, first you need to write A can do a piece of work in X days. B can do the same work in X plus 16 days. Okay, so if both are working, that means 1 by X plus 1 by X plus 16 equal to 1 by X plus 15 according to the question. Okay, why? See, A can do a piece of work in X days. So in 1 day, A can do 1 by X part of that work, and B can do 1 by X plus 16th part of that work in 1 day. So in 1 day, if they both are doing something, then they do this part. And see, if both are working together can do it in 15 days. That means they can do 1/15 of the work in 1 day. Okay, so this will be the expression. Mathematical expression is this one. Okay, now you can simplify. Why 30? X plus x 2x plus 16, that is equal to x square plus 16x. Okay, now if you do it here, x square plus 16x minus 30x plus 240 minus 240 equal to 0. Okay, so x square minus 14x minus 240 equal to 0. X square so x will be 24 because this x is days. Days can be negative. So you have to take x equal to 24. Okay. Now see the problem. Calculate x. So x will be 24. Okay. Now see question number 3. One pipe can fill a cistern in 3 hours less than the other. Okay. Now let one pipe can fill a cistern turn in x minute. Okay. See another one, another pipe can fill a cistern in x minus 3 into 60 minute. Okay, 3 into 60, that means x minus 180 minutes. Now see, they have told if the two pipes together can fill the cistern in 6 hours 40 minutes. Now 6 hours 40 minutes equal to 6 into 60 plus 40 minutes. 360 plus 40 equal to 400 minutes. Okay. Now according to the question, one by x plus 1 by x minus 180 equal to 1 by 400. Okay, understood this one? Same method we are doing this problem with the same logic is there in behind this expression. Okay, now first you need to clear the fraction. So x into x minus 180, so x minus 180 plus x, that will be equal to 1 by 400. Okay, now x square minus 180x, that is equal to 1 by 400, and 2x minus 180. Okay, now if you cross multiply, what you will get? If you cross multiply 400 into 2, that means 800, x minus x square minus 180x minus 800 x plus 72000 equal to 0. Okay, now that means x square minus 980x plus 72000 equal to 0. Okay, now you can write like this: x square minus 900x plus minus 80x plus 72000 equal to 0. Okay, now if you take common x minus 900 minus 80 x minus 900 equal to 0, that means x equal to 900 or x equal to 80. Okay, 900 or x can be 80. Now if x is 80, then other pipe will fill x minus 180, that means it will give you negative number, negative time, that doesn't make any sense. So it will become, you have to consider this one. Okay, so if x equal to 900 minutes, x minus 180 will be equal to minutes. Okay, now 900 minute, that means, see, if you divide it by 60, that means 15 hour, and 720, if you divide it by 60, so 12 hours. Okay, so the first pipe that can fill the cistern in 15 hours, and the second pipe, two pipe will take 15 hours and 12 hour. Okay. Trader bought an article for rupees X, sold it for 52, thereby making a profit of X minus 10% on his outlay. Now see, profit of X minus 10% on its outlay, that means profit on CP. CP is here, CP equal to X, rupees X, okay, and selling price is 52. That means profit equal to 52 minus X. Okay, now see, according to the question, X into X minus 10 by 100. See, this percent of this cost price, okay, that is 52 minus X. Okay, now if you calculate X square minus 10X by 100 equal to 52 minus X. Okay, so if you cross multiply, X square minus 10X equal to 5200 minus 100X. Okay, okay, now X square minus 10X plus 100X minus 5200 equal to 0. That means X square plus 90X minus 5200, okay, equal to 0. Okay, now see, X square plus 130X minus 40X, sorry, not 400, it's 40X minus 5200 equal to 0. Okay, so X plus 130 minus 40X plus 130 equal to 0. Okay, so you can write from here X equal to 40 or minus 130. Okay, X equal to 40 or minus 130. Now see one thing, cost price cannot be negative, so X equal to 40 will be the answer. Okay, so the cost price is rupees 40. Okay, see the next one. The CP of an article is X, which is sold for this rupees 27 at a loss of X minus 5%. Find the value of X. Okay, CP equal to X, that is given. SP equal to rupees 27. Loss equal to rupees X minus 27. Since it is loss, and that means CP is greater than SP, so loss is this one. Now, according to the question, X into X minus 5 by 100 equal to X minus 27. Okay, now X square minus 5X by 100 equal to X minus 27. Now if you cross multiply, you will get X square minus 5X equal to 100X minus 2700. X square minus 150X plus 2700 equal to 0. Okay, X square minus 45X minus 60X plus 2700 equal to 0. Okay, now X minus 5 minus X minus 4 5. Okay, that means X minus 45 X minus 60 equal to 0. That means X equal to either 45 or 60. CP is rupees, for question number 6, CP is X, sold for this one, selling price is SP equal to 152. Okay, 152, and profit is there, so profit will be 152 minus X. Okay, now see, at profit of x plus 10%. So x into x plus 10 by 100 equal to, according to the question, okay, that is equal to this one. So x square plus 110x minus 15200. Okay. Now selling price cannot be negative, so x will equal to 80 rupees 80. Cost price is, that is equal to cost price. Okay. Now question number 7. Two pipe running together can fill an empty cistern in 4 and a 20 by 21 minute. 4 and a 20 by 21 minute. Okay. Now if one pipe takes 5 minutes more than another takes to fill the empty cistern, find the time in which each of the pipe would fill the cistern. Let one pipe can fill the cistern in x minute. Then another pipe will take x plus 5 minute. Okay. Now when both the pipe are open, then according to the question, one by x plus 1 by x plus 5 is equal to, okay, now 4 and a 20 by 21, that means 104 by 21. Okay. Now reciprocal of this one will be 21 by 104. Okay. Now if you clear this fraction, x square, what you can write, see 13 into 5, you will get 65. Okay. And if you multiply 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 7, you will get 168. Okay. So you can write okay. X equal to 8 or minus 65 by 21. Okay, minus 65 by 21. Time cannot be negative. Okay, so 8 will be the answer. So the answer will be 8 minute. 8 minutes. Okay. Now see the last problem. In order to fill an empty swimming pool completely, a pipe of larger diameter alone take 10 hours less than the time taken by a pipe smaller diameter alone. Okay. If the pipe of larger diameter is used for 4 hours and the pipe of smaller diameter is used for 9 hours, half of the pool is filled. In how many hours will the pipe of the larger diameter alone fill the pool? Let in x hour let in x hour the pipe of larger diameter and fill the pool. Okay, now in 1 hour it fills 1 by x of a part of that entire pool, and in case of smaller diameter, so see that implies the pipe with smaller, yes, pipe of smaller diameter, pipe of smaller diameter will take x plus 10 hour to do the same work. Okay, now see, in 1 hour larger diameter pipe that can do 1 by x part of that entire work, and in 1 hour smaller diameter pipe that can do 1 by x plus 10 part, 1 by x plus 10 part of that entire work. Now they have used larger diameter pipe for 4 hours and the smaller diameter that is for 9 hours. So according to the question, 4 into 1 by x plus 9 by x plus 10, that will be equal to, see, they have filled half of the pool, not the entire one, half of the pool, half. Okay, half, that means half of the entire work they have done. Okay, now that is the mathematical expression. Now you need to simplify it. X into x plus 10, 4x plus 40 plus 9x equal to 1 by 2. X square plus 10x (13x plus 40), x square plus 10x equal to 26x plus 80. Okay, now x square minus 16x minus 80 equal to 0. So x equal to 20 or minus 4. Now minus 4 cannot be a time, so it will be 20 and it's 20 hour. Okay, so the answer is 20 hour. How many hour will the pipe of larger diameter alone fill the pool? That is 20 hour. So the answer is 20 hours. Okay, understood? See, this problem looks much bigger, but actually it's simple problem. Just you need to understand this step. This is the mathematical expression of that problem. I am explaining once again. x hour এই পাইপটা পুরো পুলটা ফিল করতে পারে, তাহলে 1 আওয়ারে কত পার্ট অফ দ্যাট পুল ইট ক্যান ফিল? 1 বাই এক্স, তাহলে 4 আওয়ারে কতটা হবে? 4 বাই এক্স, সেই পার্টটাকে নেওয়া হয়েছে। আর না, এই ছোটো ডায়ামিটারের যে পাইপটা সেটা এক্স প্লাস 10 আওয়ারে পুরোটা ফিল করে, তাহলে 1 আওয়ারে সেটা পুরো যে পুলটার তার 1 বাই এক্স প্লাস, দিস ইজ 1 বাই এক্স প্লাস 10 এত পার্ট, ওকে, অফ দ্যাট এন্টায়ার পুল সেটা ফিল করতে পারে। তাহলে 9 আওয়ারে কত হবে? এটা ইন্টু 9, দ্যাট মিনস 9 বাই এক্স প্লাস 10। এবার এটা দুটো তো একসাথে হচ্ছে, দুটো পাইপই খোলা আছে, দুটো তো একসাথে হচ্ছে। দুটো পাইপ যদি খোলা থাকে তখন কি হচ্ছে? তখন তারা হাফ পুলকে ফিল করতে পারছে। দুটো পাইপ এইরকমভাবে খুলেছে, এটা 4 ঘন্টা, এটা 9 ঘন্টা, এটা 4 আওয়ার্স, এটা 9 আওয়ার্স। তাহলে এই দুটো পাইপ মিলিয়ে এটার পুরো পুলের হাফ পার্টকে ফিল করতে পারছে, তো ইট ইকুয়াল টু 1/2। ওকে, আন্ডারস্টুড?